So first off, the scenarios were realistic. They kind of, as I like to say, echoed and rhymed with the real world scenarios that I've heard of in my career, and the audience participation aspect of it, the reinforcement of it, the small teams approach to it, the fact that you switched us up daily forced us to engage a little bit more, and I would say that all the planning for the course was solid enough. It looks like you designed it to reinforce the learning, and definitely appreciate that.
So the class was amazing. I mean, I learned something every single time that I have the privilege to sit through the class. I take a little nugget more. I love the fact that it's so interactive. I feel like we learn better. We learn by practicing. And so the way it's set up to teach a concept and then practice that concept, and it starts it in bite-sized pieces, so you build on the different concepts. So I love that about class.
I'm very much excited to be equipped with BlueDragon because it is a marvelously sophisticated but somehow simplified process where you take a vast array of tools and utilize it in the most efficient way that I've ever seen. And I've had a lot of exposure to causal analysis applications. I loved being able to see that it's affirming, how to be able to utilize it in assessments, which I have a vast experience array to bring this to as well and expand it upon. So I'm looking forward to using this tool up one side and down another.
So I absolutely loved the class. One of the greatest things about it, I think, that I really latched onto was the methodology and the flow of logic, and then the fact that it provides the traceability to that logic pre-built into the process, so that by the time you're at the end, you can show somebody exactly where you started and how you got to those conclusions. That build traceability is invaluable.
I mean, overall, I've left the training feeling more equipped to handle complex problems, able to see a roadmap to get to those deep-seated causes. So I would definitely recommend this to other people that are in similar roles of a quality representative, or somebody that has to resolve complex problems.
Having taken this course and graduated today, I feel well prepared to handle any causal level that my site has, and I just feel like we'd be successful with this course behind us because it's so easy to follow, just perfect path. It's all facts almost at the end of it, so it just leaves you in the best position that you can be in to help you.